हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, मैं आपका SRM सर। मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल सौम्य एजुकेशन फॉर द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ OUT एंड नीट। ओके, इन दिस वीडियो lecture we will discuss about the topic that is organic topic, alcohol, phenol, ether. In this topic, in this video lecture, first of all we will discuss about that is the topic phenol. What is called phenol? Now when in the benzene ring OH group is attached to the benzene ring, then it will tell as phenol. Then the first preparation, that is the first reaction from chlorobenzene. When chlorobenzene reacts with sodium hydroxide, then with the removal of hydrogen chloride resulting sodium phenoxide, then again react with HCl resulting phenol. Okay, then the second one reaction, that is from benzene sulfonic acid. When benzene sulfonic acid react with sodium hydroxide resulting sodium salt of benzene sulfonic acid with the removal of water, again this is called sodium salt of benzene sulfonic acid. Okay, again react with NaOH, that is sodium hydroxide, with the removal of 2NaOH, with the removal of minus Na2SO3 resulting ONA, that is phenoxide ion. Then on react with hydrogen chloride resulting phenol with the removal of sodium chloride. Sorry, this is the sodium benzene sulfonic acid. Okay, sodium benzene sulfonic acid. What is the logic here? H and OH are removed as my water, then this is sodium benzene sulfonic acid. Then again on reacting with 2NaOH, removal of Na2SO3, then resulting phenoxide ion, that is ONA. Then on react with its hydrogen chloride resulting phenol with the removal of sodium chloride. So that is the reaction, that is preparation of phenol from benzene sulfonic acid. Then the third one is from benzene diazonium salt. When benzene diazonium salt react with water and treatment with heat, then resulting phenol plus hydrogen halide plus nitrogen. Okay, then the preparation of phenol from isopropyl benzene. This is the structure of isopropyl benzene. When isopropyl benzene react with oxygen resulting here the CH3 group attach the top of the carbon atom, and it is the this carbon CH3 attached here, and here O, then OH. On hydrolysis, that is cumene hydroperoxide, cumene hydroperoxide on undergo hydrolysis, resulting phenol plus CH3 CO CH3, that is die. Okay, then come to the chemical properties. What are the chemical properties? The first one is, these are physical properties. Okay, these are the physical properties. Okay, these are the chemical properties. The first reaction, that is reaction with zinc dust. When phenol react with zinc dust in the presence of heat, resulting benzene plus zinc oxide. Okay, when, so what can we say about the reaction with zinc dust? Now when benzene, when phenol react with zinc dust in the presence of heat, resulting what? Resulting benzene plus zinc oxide. Then oxidation. What is oxidation? Now when phenol treated in the presence of Na2Cr2O7, that is sodium dichromate. Sodium dichromate, resulting benzoquinone. When, so we will sure that when phenol undergo oxidation on the presence of sodium dichromate, that is Na2Cr2O7, resulting benzoquinone, that is the structure of benzoquinone. Then come to Else persulfate reaction. Else persulfate reaction, that is when phenol undergo oxidation in the presence of potassium persulfate, K2H2O8. Potassium persulfate, that is potassium persulfate, resulting catechol and quinol, that is catechol, that is quinol. Okay, then reaction with hydrogen. Now when phenol react with hydrogen in the presence of nickel, resulting cyclohexanol loss. Sorry, that is cyclohexanol. So we know when phenol react with zinc dust resulting benzene plus zinc oxide, but when phenol react with hydrogen in the presence of nickel resulting cyclohexanol. Okay, then reaction with phthalic anhydride. Okay, here this is the phenol react with phthalic anhydride with the removal of water in the presence of concentrated H2SO4 with the removal of water resulting phenolphthalein. Okay, this is the important reaction with phthalic anhydride. When phthalic anhydride react with phenol in the presence of concentrated H2SO4 with the removal of water resulting phenolphthalein. This is the structure that is important. Then what is Kolbe reaction? What is Kolbe reaction? Now when phenol react with sodium hydroxide with the removal of water resulting sodium phenoxide, then the treatment with carbon dioxide and water resulting resulting 2-hydroxy. This is the first position, this is the second position. So if we consider this is the first position of the benzene ring and this is the second position of the benzene ring, then 2-hydroxy benzoic acid, that is salicylic acid. This is the other name. Okay, 2-hydroxy benzoic acid or salicylic acid. Then RT reaction, that is Reimer-Tiemann reaction. When phenol, first I want to write this. Okay, when phenol react with chloroform, that is positive. When this bond transport to this carbon atom, then it takes negative charge, and this is positive charge. This is negative, this is positive, this is positive, this is negative. Here the negative attached to this positive, here the positive attached with this negative. Here the hydrogen atom is attached to the chlorine, that is minus HCl. Here also minus water. Here is the structure, that is of sodium phenoxide with CHCl. Again we give 2NaOH with, again this is negative charge, this is negative charge, that is positive, with the removal of minus 2NaCl and here with the removal of 2 sodium chloride attached CHOH, that is here we give heat, then the removal of water, that is sodium phenoxide attached with the CHO. Then on giving treatment with hydrogen chloride, resulting phenol, that is 2-hydroxy benzaldehyde, that is salicylaldehyde. Okay, then when similarly when phenol react with carbon tetrachloride, that is CCl4, here the bond transport to the chlorine atom, here it acquires positive charge. On the treatment with sodium Na plus OH minus, that is O minus H plus, this is this, here the positive charge will, this is the bond locates on carbon, transport to the carbon atom, this is the negative charge, so H plus Cl minus, and this. Okay, then what will be formed? Benzene ring minus water minus HCl, this is ONa, Cl. Then again on giving minus 3NaOH, removal of minus 3NaCl, because negative sign, so this is the positive, this is the negative, this is the positive. Okay, and on adding 3NaOH, that is 3NaCl remove, OH 3OH attached, that is ONaCOH. Then again we give heat, then the removal of water, that is forming ONaCOOH, that is on treatment with hydrogen chloride, resulting phenol COH, that is salicylic acid. So most of the time in the CHSE or CBSE exam, this question comes in the exam, that is when in case of RT reaction, when phenol react with chloroform, what will be the product? When phenol react with chloroform, how many number of chlorines are there? We know that there are three chlorines. We we will subtract 1. We will subtract 3 chlorine from 1 chlorine, that is 2 chlorine left. In the place of 2 chlorine, 2 OH group attached, and after giving heat, 1 OH and 1 hydrogen of the OH group are removed as a water, so that what will be the result, that is salicylaldehyde. But in case of when phenol react with carbon tetrachloride, here there are 4 chlorine atom. After removing 1 chlorine atom, there are 3 chlorine atom. In the place of 3 chlorine atom, there are 3 hydroxy group, that is OH group, are linked that position, occupy that position. After giving heat, 1 water is removed, that is left COOH, that is salicylic acid. So when phenol react with chloroform resulting salicylaldehyde, and when phenol react with carbon tetrachloride resulting salicylic acid. Okay, this is the concept. Okay students, in the next class we will discuss about electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and like and subscribe this video. Okay students.